hot. See what we got.
Show them how it's done.
Oh, nice!
I think I got it on camera too.
Good. Try another one, Pete. Try the pumpkin. Up, little to the left.
Oh, I think I got that on
Still got
camera.
Tannerite in there.
Get the pumpkin.
Go for the pumpkin.
Go for the pumpkin.
This one right here in front?
Yeah. It's got Tannerite right down. See it sticking out the top? I want to hear the bang.
Damn. Next.
Who's next?
Where are you aiming at? At the
pumpkin boots.
Oh my God, you can see it! Holy shit!
Yeah, no.
Oh. I saw that one go right into the hill.
Want to try this?
Yeah. Really getting on my nerves.
Hold on to it. See how this comes back? You don't want to have your hand up high so it'll clear it, okay? Have a good hold of it, and as soon as you hit this down, it's home.
Whoa! Got it. It's still left of it. Is it Tannerite blow? No.
You don't shoot close with this.
Land on the ground?
Nah.
Yeah, it's right to the left of the orange blob.
Yeah. Glenn with the potato gun.
Nah, they hit that.
We still got 2 unexploded Tannerites out there.
I know. You see the bulletproof glass?
Yeah, I shattered that with your 30-aught, didn't you?
No, with this. Some 12 gauge.
Is that what you shot at that?
You shot the 12 gauge at the glass? Nice.
I already had a hole in.
That's awesome.
Keep going for the dummy.
Oh my God. Got that on video.
Potato.
That just skipped. Oh, too funny.
I say you like Cartman. I love that with Cartman because he's so short. He's holding out.
Brass is a flying. Oh, here we go. Brass coming right at us. Look at the tracer out. Awesome. That is funny.